Y'all just provide me a moment. I just have to, I'm getting cursor up so we can work through fixing these errors as well. All right, so you're Gucci. You're still down a bit. Here's cursor. Okay, what I need to do to. All right, where's Claude Code? So as you can see, we're option trading. We're trading our bots that we've created with y'all. These are all of our algo bots. Some of them are working well. Some of them we just need to put some attention on. So let's just go ahead and look at penny for you. Oh, damn, it just turned. View. So I'm doing right now, I'm inside cursor and I need to fix some of our bots that are having errors. In order to do that, I need a preface cursor like with our bots. So what I'm doing is just feeding the file so you can understand the bots using grep and knock terminal commands to understand our fleet of bots. Once you do, advise before we proceed with the work we have to do. All right, let's go back to our bots. So what did I say? I need to restart you. I like it that it's listen writing, right? As soon as it does hit the max for the trade, it does stop trading. So I can appreciate that. All right, beautiful. We're still in this position. And this is a bearish breakout. So we bought a put 681 for $35. We had a 13% chance of this being profitable. And this right now doesn't look like it's turning our way. I just wanted to take a look at the market real quick. I'm looking at QQQ, and QQQ is the top 100 tech companies within the NASDAQ. As we can see here, when it opened up this morning, it gapped up. So the bulls had momentum. And right now is just bouncing between the bulls and the bears. Look at IWM. IWM is the top 1,000, excuse me, top 2,000 tech companies within the U.S. And this one a bit gapped up as well, but no, gapped down. Excuse me, this one gapped down and is working its way through. Let's go look at SPY real quick. And SPY is the top 500 companies within the, oh, gap up like a mug. All right, so we are ready. Our bots are Gucci. Come on. And this position, I'm waiting for it to turn for us, not against us. All right, perfect. Oh, my fault, my fault, my fault. Who was the bot that I needed to fix? Who was the bot? There was a bot that needed to get fixed, y'all. Which one was it? All right, we just exited that position at a slight loss, 12% loss. That's okay. We have a couple other bots that are going to be trading for us today. So let's just go around. I thought that there was a position that I needed to fix. This is our fade. Okay, why are you running? All right, that bot is not supposed to be running. That bot is our bearish bot. Is Dooney there? Is Dooney running? Let me see. Yeah, you are. All right, CD. Okay, got you. I thought I had to do it. All right, perfect. So you're running. All right, let's go take a look around all of our bots just to make sure they're good. We do have a QQQ position that's open. This is in our high frequency trading bot or HFT bot. And we do have another SPY position open. This is in our sniper bot. So we do have two positions open. One is a bearish breakout. So we think the market is going to go down. We bought a SPY for 622. We had a 21% chance of being profitable. We bought it for $83 and currently we're up on that position. Yo, we're up on this position too. I'm not going to hold you. This one, we are bearish on the market, 622. We bought it for $83 and we already took profit, 16% in under a minute. That's what's up. And now, oh, our SPY, we're up too in our SPY position. Okay, you have an error that I need to go fix. Let me just close the SPY position to make sure we're Gucci. Sniper bot needs to go get fixed. Oh, hold on. We are TPing like crazy, fam. Did we just take profit again here? No, it was just one. It was just a one. All right, we're in this position right now. We're waiting to see how is it going to pan out, and we're up 4%. Sniper does need work. Let me pull this out. Go get sniper bot. Review using grep and awk terminal commands. Let's find the issue and properly fix it for sniper bot. Then update. Once fixed. Oh man, this one taking a bit of a turn on us, y'all. It is taking a bit of a turn on us, but that's okay. It took a whole hell of a lot of a turn, not even a bit. And right now, what we're doing, we're paper trading, and I'm also fixing up our other bot. All right, we're just gonna let you go. As you can see, some of our bots are just waiting to start. Everybody has staggered starts, but by 9:45, 9:44, all of our bots should be up and running. Let's go ahead and go around. Mini Bear, this bot doesn't start till 45. It's 43. Then we have our Lotto Baby. This bot doesn't start till 45. It's 43. Then we have okay, Bear Baby is running. Y'all, let's see if this position went positive on us. Well, it's trying to fight its way back. It is trying to fight its way back right now. That's what's up. All right, come all the way back. Oh, look, it's almost there. It is almost there. Oh, then it just turned on us. It just turned on us, y'all. Okay, you found it. And what I'm also doing is fixing our sniper bot. So I'm doing two things at once. We're paper trading and we're also fixing our sniper bot with the issue that it had. All right, you found it, you fixed it. All right, so we get to put our sniper bot, get to go up and running again. Hold on, y'all. We're still in that spy position, but let me just go ahead and get our sniper ready. All right, you did close the position at not a slight, I mean, 21% loss. So that's our second trade. We're about to open it up. No, are we Gucci? All right, you have one more trade. All of our bots trade 3 times for paper trading. Then after that, they're Gucci for the day. Wait, is this position open or not? Let me go look. Oh, that's crazy. We do have another position that's open, and this is our, it's trendy. This is what I needed to fix. All right, I need to, let me drive the boat. Let me drive the boat because I need to fix you too. So, crap. Which one is this one? This one is a put. This is, I don't know the strike price. That's always fun. It's $60. Okay. You're closed. So we have a couple positions that are open. We have this position here. We are up 6% on it. So that's what's up. Then we have another position that's open. Where are you? Where are you? Is it HS? No. Why is the position open? I think it's just you're the belle of the ball right now. So that's what's up. Show the people them. No. So this one is a bullish breakout. So we think the market is going to go up. We bought a call, and we bought that call for $24, 13% chance of it being profitable. And we bought two contracts. Right now, we're oscillating between being down or up right now. Yo, there's this other. Was this put position from you? I'm almost certain this was from you. 3,000, 3,000. Beautiful. 68, 68, 3,000. Yep, I can close you out because you need to get fixed. All right, so the next one that needs to get fixed, that this is, it's trendy, right? It's trendy. All right, let's go back here. Oh, we're up six. Well, we're up 10%. Damn, I should have took the profit, but I wasn't looking. That's what I'm saying. Sometimes I'm gonna draw the boat for our bot. So now sniper is good. Now we need to go fix it's trendy. Review logs using. Oh, are we up 10, bro? Close. I'm not even gonna play with you. Guess what we don't go broke doing? Taking a profit. We're up. Um. Oh, because that one position that closes. Yeah. So we're down a bit. So let's see what's up. So all of our bots are searching for positions right now. Let me bring you over to Claude Code so we can continue. We have to fix it's trendy using grep and awk. Let's find the issue and fix it. Then once fixed, update. Um, Sniper is ready to be reloaded. Let me go ahead and I'm reloaded. All right, this is perfect. So what I'm doing is I'm fixing some issues with our bots here, and we're also paper trading our other bots. So I'm using Cloud Code in order to fix the issues that are coming up, and that needs to be addressed. All right, well that's going. So you're just searching through files right now. Let's just go ahead and put an eye on our bots. We have all of our bots running right now. So as you can see, if it can't find a signal, it'll let us know, but it's going to continue to scan. Mini Bear, same thing. It's scanning. Oh, we do have an open position right now. We have a bullish breakout, so we think the market is going to go up. This is for SPY. We got a call at 689 strike. We bought it for $30, and we're currently down 1%. So let's see how this one turns out. Let's see if we have any other open positions. Yes, we do have. I Dooney Baby is also opened up a position. Oh, we're closing because wait, you went super okay. You have a bug that I need to go fix because there's no way in hell that you're supposed to be buying all those damn contracts, bro. All right, so Dooney needs to go get fixed. We have this position that's open right now. It was up 8%. Now it's down 8%. That's crazy how that works, right? But that's not. It's trendy. I need you to fix. There you go. Damn, down 14% on this. All right, it's trendy is supposedly good. So let me go get this one back up and running. All right, we have our next bot that I need to get up and running. Okay. Oh, bet. We're up right now. Let's go ahead and close this out. Because guess what we don't go broke doing? Taking a profit. See? And it hit its daily trades. It only trades 3 times, right? So I'm just going to let you sit there for a bit. We already have its trendy. What I also need to go fix now is remember we have Dooney Baby, and this bot right here trades IWM, and IWM is the Russell 2000. The problem with this bot is that once it finds contracts, number one, what it'll do, it's over leveraging us, right? So with our paper account, there's going to be more money than allotted to these bots, quote unquote. So we had to create a virtual wallet for each or virtual portfolio, right, for each one of them. So it's working, but the only thing is it's supposed to be spending $100 maximum, but this bot just spent 180. So I need to find what the issue is for this bot. So what I want to do is go back to Cloud Code. I already fixed it. It's trendy, and this is Dooney Baby. All right, beautiful. Review using grep and awk, and we need to find the error. The bot is over leveraging right now, and we need to find out where Doonybot is doing this and properly fix it and ensure working. All right, so let's get that one working. So I want to have Cloud Code work on that for us. Oh, we do have another position that's open. Sniper is in a position. That's what's up. It's currently up 3%. We have a bullish breakout, so we think the market is going to go up. We bought at 65, and this was a 629 call. This is QQQ, and we're currently up 11% on the position. That's what's up. So let's see how that rides. 8%. And again, I'm going to be driving the boat a little bit. So what that means is that the bot calculated 4 contracts, but that costs 180 on the account is 100. That's the same bugs we fixed with Sniper earlier, missing the 100x multiplier. All right. Damn, this position just took a little bit of a turn on us. We went from being up at 11%, 8%, 3%. Now we're only up 2%. Barely 1%, fam. Barely 1%. That's the thing. When I'm saying I want to drive the, I should have just TP. I should have just took profit when the bot came. Okay. All right. So Dooney is good. Down 11% right now. That's crazy, fam. All right. So I'm just gonna let you go. All right, back. Where you at? Okay. It's working. It's trying to fight its way back. so let's let it fight its way back. I need to restart Dooney. Let me copy you. All right. Now you're Gucci. All right, so Dooney bot is back up and running. We have another bot that just closed a position. We closed it down a bit, but this position we were up, so I should have just took profit as soon as I seen it. All right, that's what I'm going to do. We're going to drive the boat, and we're going to drive it a little bit more consistently. This bot is done. Oh, this is the bot I needed to fix. Okay, this is range, baby. Let's go fix you. So same thing. Just going to come to Claude Code. I don't see a position open right now. Review. It just fixed Dooney so that's what's up. Using grep and awk. Let's find the issue and properly fix it. All right, so while this one gets done, let's go back in. Let's go poke around and make sure we're Gucci with all of our bots. Easy reader scanning. All right, Dooney scanning. HFT. Oh, that's what's up. We're up $9 with this bot. I think that's the only profitable one. Everybody else is a bit down, yeah. I'm restarting. All right, bet. Yeah, it just looks like all of our bots right now are just searching for a position in order to get in. And some bots already done trading for the day, right? Damn, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, let me put you back where you're supposed to. Okay, we just opened up a position. Easy reader just opened up a position. It is looking at a bullish breakout. So it's thinking the market is going to go up. We have a call. We bought that call for $62, 632, and we have an 18% chance of it being profitable. Right now, we're placing the order and we're waiting to see if it's going to fill. Let me confirm if it is going to or not. All right, we're still waiting for the order to fill. Why is it taking so long? All right, while we wait for the order to fill here, it shouldn't be taking that long. I need to restart our range baby bot. We fixed the error here. And the error was that it couldn't close the position. So that's why I automatically stopped the bot, right? This little symbol error here. So I fixed it and now bot should be ready to go. All right, Gucci them. Okay, why are you having an issue, fam? What I want to do, I'm going to stop you. This is easy reader. And let's find the issue. Let's find the issue. Coding session. All right, we already fixed range, baby. Now let's fix our next bot. Review using grep and awk, and let's find the issue. Why bot can't submit orders, and let's fix it. I could just throw you away. I don't need you. Then update, change log. All right, bet. So we're gonna find the issues there and properly fix it. Let's go look at and see if we're in a position. No. Oh, yeah, we are in a position right now. We have our It's Trendy bot that is found a bullish breakout. So we think the market is going to go up. We bought a call, and this call was $39. We bought one contract. This strike NA, I need to fix this issue because there's no reason that we can't bring up the strike price. We're currently down 14%. Let me go look at it because I've noticed that sometimes it'll be like a bit delayed. And I'm using Alpaca to be able to trade all of our bots, right? We're getting our data from a myriad of places, but where we're submitting the trades is via Alpaca. So as y'all can see, it's oscillating between being up and down right now. My fault. Hold. All right, so this bot is done trading for the day. All right, and all of our bots are still scanning. Let's come back over to Cloud Code and see what issue we're fixing here. We're fixing the issue with inside Easy Reader. It's having issue being able to get the symbol. So I'm looking for the issue, and we're going to fix that. The bot doesn't import build option. It needs to either import it or build it manually. Let me add the import and fix the symbol. Okay. And if y'all do have any questions while we are trading our bots, please let me know. Right now, it's looking pretty straightforward, right? I mean, there's a couple of issues that I'm fixing while the bots are trading, and that's okay. That's part of the process. All right. Oh, we just found another position. Let's go look at that. All right, so we're about to have two positions. So we are bullish on the market. We bought a call. This is a call for $80. We have a 29% chance, if you want to round up, of being profitable. Right now we're up 4%, 2%. While that position is running, let me go start back up our Easy Reader bot because we just fixed the issue. All right, Python, get our Easy Reader. All right, you're Gucci to run now. Damn, it was just up 8%. I was watching, that's why. Oh, we have a couple positions open. Bro, you still doing that same bullshit. So, Dooney Baby just found another bullish position. And we're currently down about 2% on it. So let's let that one run. Damn, this one went from being up. Now it's down right now. So let's see how these are going to work out for us. All right, fight your way back. Fight your way back. Let's see where Dooney is at. We're up 2%. Oh, we're up 6%. I'm not going to hold you. Maybe we should just take the profit, y'all. Because guess what we don't go broke doing? Taking a profit. All right, this one we're positive again. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and TP. Oh, it already TP. Did it already TP? All conditions met. Oh, we already TP'd. We already took profit at 12%. Perfect. We're currently up $12. Beautiful, and we're looking for another position. Let's go look at our QQQ bot. This bot is up 4% right now. Now this, I'm going to drive the boat a little bit. I'm not going to hold you. Okay, let's go ahead and close. Because you know what we don't go broke doing? Taking a profit. Let's go ahead and take our 9%, make our $7 and get up out of here. After fees, we're looking at $5, so we're up 9% for this particular bot. And then we have our Dooney Baby that is in another position. It just found a call, so it's bullish on the market, thinking that the market is going to go up. We bought at, I need to do a better, a call, $30, 3 contracts, $90 been deployed, and we're currently up 5%. Let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see. All right, okay. Get me out. Get me out. Close. Get me out. That's 11%. Yeah. So this bot is up $24 right now. That's what's up. Oh, beautiful. We have another position that's open. We have Range Baby. So it look like it's between Range Baby and my fault. And Dooney that are both opening up positions. I can appreciate this. I can appreciate this. Does anybody else need to get restart? No. All right, that's what's up. Everybody's running. We're having a pretty much smooth day. I mean, the only thing is, like, I wish the market was more so in our favor. But that's the thing about trading. Like, we don't know what's going to happen until we get to that underlying day. And we're here. Our bots are running. There are some that are profitable, some that are still trying to figure it out. Like Dooney Baby came out of nowhere, just made $24 today. That's a shocker. I'm not going to hold you because this is one of our bots that really doesn't make that much money. So for the fact to this bot to be able to lead, this is really our printer bot. This bot is up $9 right now. Let's go ahead and take a round trip. This bot hasn't traded yet. This bot hasn't traded yet. Still looking for the right conditions. This bot hasn't traded yet. This bot, same thing. This bot, same thing. This bot has already been active. It said it already lost 3 trades. Let me just go ahead and restart it. Because this week was kind of hectic. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Like being able to paper trade. So the fact that it's running smooth and no issues, I'm gonna definitely take advantage of it. And the reason we're having issues is because I was switching from Tradier to Alpaca. So there was just a bit of bugs to be able to work out. Same thing here. This bot is currently hit its wall. So what I'm going to do is just currently restart it. All right, let me stop you. And then you can get reset. All right, nobody's in a position right now. Everybody's just looking. That's what's up. Oh, this one, we did have a trade down $17 for this one. Second chance. It's crazy. Second chance is normally the active one, but you're not finding anything. Easy reader, nothing yet. Range Baby, 2 out of 3. We're down $10. Dooney Baby, we already looked at it. 2 trades. We're up 24. So we're batting 1,000 there. And here we're batting 1,000 as well. All right, so let's just look and allow our bots to be able to do their thing. All are running right now. There are no issues. They're just scanning the market and looking for an underlying signal. Right. And the reason I love this is because I'm not looking for only thing I have to do is like admin stuff, right? So if you can't open an order, if you can't get a position, or if you can't get data, then that's when I'll step in. But like normally I'm just sitting back watching a computer. Like I'm watching Netflix. Um, but just with money. Right. And if y'all do have any questions while we are trading our bots, please let me know. My name is Creative, and here at Creative Coder, our aim is to be able to create algo trading bots, machine learning, AI agents. Oh, hold on. Trading loop failed to get VIX. Let's wait. And VIX is the volatility index. It allows us to be able to see how volatile the market is going to be right now, or it's a fear index, some people would call it, right? If we have a high VIX, that lets us know that the market is expecting a big move. Low VIX, the market is not expecting a big move. Right now, our bot is having issues being able to get VIX. Let me see if this is an isolated issue. So it fixed itself. Lotto Baby also gets VIX. Yes, you're having an issue get VIX as well. But these bots should self-correct, just like that one. Um, Hold on. Who was it? Who was it? You should. Okay, it's self-corrected. Now it's getting VIX. Right, VIX is at 15 right now. Okay, just open up its logo. That's what's up. So we just seen this live. It found the position. It found a bullish breakout. So it's thinking that the market is going to go up. We bought a call position, and I need to fix this. Why is this NA? Call for $59. We have a 32% chance of this being profitable, and we are currently down a half. We're currently down 1% for this position. Wait, we have two positions that are open. We have a SPY. Oh, look at that. Come on. I'm just going to drive the boat real quick. I'm not going to hold y'all because guess what we don't go broke doing? Taking a profit. Yep. Let's just go ahead and make our money. We don't go broke doing. We don't. Okay. I may restart you. Let's see. I may restart you. Something trendy. We're currently down on this position right now, so let's see where it turns out. We are money. Yeah, that's the first time I heard that. Oh, that's what's up. We're up. Y'all see that? We're up 1%. I keep fighting back. Oh, it just went up to $6. All right, come on. I'm here with you, but I'm driving a boat. But I'm here with you. $7. Let me drive the boat. Go ahead. Guess what we don't go broke doing? Guess what we don't go broke doing, man? Taking a profit. Can we TP already? Beautiful. We just secured the bag. 19%. I was trying to get out at 11, but we got out at 19%. Under 2 minutes, 19%. We got in at 59 and we got out at 70. All right, we found another position, another bullish breakout. So it's or something trendy about it is really on right now. So we found a SPY contract. Hold on, let's look at it. A bullish breakout. So it's going to be call. Again, I need to fix this. We have a 20% chance of it being profitable. We bought at what's the strike? Strike is at 251, and we're currently oscillating between down and up. We have another bot that opened up a position, and funny enough, it's the same strike. Right, so both of these bots are down a bit. So let's see how well they're able to fight back. Oh, damn, down a lot now. Okay, come on, fight back. Come on, fight back. It's almost there, y'all. I believe in it. Or should we just cut our losses? What do you think? Should we just cut our losses or should we be patient and wait? Hey, good morning, GD. How we doing? Oh, by the way, I fixed the strategy. The pullback strategy is working. I just wanted to let you know that, and I'm going to be dropping a video on how I fixed it, and it's working now. So we do have a pullback strategy that's ready to go. So I was waiting to see if I saw you this morning, but the pullback strategy that we was working on yesterday, I figured out what the problem was, and it's fixed. So I'm super excited. After paper trading today, I'm going to go over what we fixed, how we fixed it, and continue to optimize it so we can see how well we can get that strategy to be up and running. So I'm excited. I'm glad. I wanted to tell you that. So that strategy is ready to go. I know we said we was going to can it, but I just had to step away from the computer. And sometimes you need to do that. Step away from the computer, get fresh eyes, and then come back to the computer. Then I was able to see the problem. Yeah, so I'm super, super excited about this pullback strategy because it definitely has some legs. And after trading today, we're going to go over it in order to see what's up. So right now we're running all of our bots. And that one just hit a limit. I'm going to run it, let it run again. Okay. So this position is trying to make his way back. So yeah, if you have some time, definitely stick around so you can see that. But I hope you're having a great day so far. Oh, look at that. It went from being down, now we're up right now. Let me see. It's up 1%. Okay, that's crazy. It's playing with the emotions. It's playing with the emotions, y'all. Down 9%. This position doesn't know what it wants. I think we just bought buying it back to back. I don't know. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, I mean, that's what I always tell myself. You don't go broke taking a profit. And that's what I'm trying to like teach myself whenever I do see profit levels, just go ahead and take it because you never go broke taking a profit, right? So, I mean, I understand it's supposed to be automated trading as well, but sometimes we can see things that our bots can't, right? Oh, how has it been running it on Thinkorswim? All right, same thing. Oh, look at that. We got another position open. I didn't even see this. In this position, we're up 6% right now. And this is a QQQ bot, the top 100 tech companies within NASDAQ. This is a call. So we're bullish on the market. We bought it for $53 and we're up 8%. It just dropped to 4%. So that's why I'm going to drive the boat a little bit. Okay, damn. It's trending the wrong direction. Oh, we have a couple positions that are open right now. Like the bots are active. Where are you? Range Baby just opened up another position, a call, so it's bearish on the market. Bought it for $73. We're currently down 2%. See, we're down on this position right now. That's fine. Let's see where we end up at. Oh, you opened up another position? Oh, you took profit? Where did you take? Oh, you took, man, you barely took profit at 1.5%. I guess. So it was profitable, like barely profitable. All right, we have four positions that are open right now, and I'm waiting for our bots to be able to get us back in the green. We're down 14% in one position. We're cutting our loss there. That's fine. I should have just took profit there. Damn, you going straight back in. We're cutting our loss. I should have just took profit. Look, it was up 8%, 10%. I should have just took profit. I gotta listen to myself because you don't go broke doing what? Taking a profit, man. Stop loss. Okay. I'm gonna restart you one more time, and this is gonna be your last time. This is like his third. Normally I'm not gonna do it right because once it's done trading for the day, you're done trading for the day. But this week has been kind of hectic. It's like being able to get our bots to paper trade, so that's why like I'm kind of a little bit more lenient. All right, bet. We're in another QQQ put position. We are bullish on the market. Excuse me, bearish on the market. So we think the market is going to go down. We are currently up. Let's just call it $1, a little under 0.5%. $2. All right. 5%. Come on. I'm here with you. I'm here with you. 8%. As soon as I see double digits, damn, it just went from 8.3 to 3.8. Talk about a mind fuck, bro. Damn. All right, so we have a couple positions open. We have IWM that's opening up a position. All right, it's in a position, so it's monitoring right now. Let's go look at you. This is mud. Mud, 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 mud. Okay, chart. Active trader sometimes, but got out of sync. Okay, the chart. Yeah, I mean that's the thing. It's like just be able to give yourself a little bit of grace, right? And know that yes, it is consistency that is going to win us here, but it's just a matter of like aligning the position with the day. Okay, damn. Stop loss 14%. Okay. That's fine. You took your damn, this one is like really down, but I let's see what happens. So our IWM bot, this bot was shooting a batting 1,000, man. And the fact that we just lost. So the $12 is the thing. So it's done trading today. Let me just go ahead and stop it. Three trades. Out of the three trades, two were profitable. One wasn't. So a 66% win rate, right? And we were able to make $12. So that's not bad. Oh, look at that. All right. We're in a couple positions right now. We have a call position. We're bullish on the market, and we're currently up 8%. Come on, 9%. Okay, driving a boat. Yep, get me out. Because guess what? We don't go broke doing taking a profit. This bot is shooting a batting 1,000. 3 for 3 on trades. It made $14 today. Right. I love it. So I'm just gonna let you chill. Um, why didn't I restart? Oh, you're done trading for the day too. We're not gonna overtrade. Nope. And this bot just needs to figure out his life. It is currently down. It is the same QQQ position that we've been fighting for the last 3 minutes here, and it's trying to find a way to be profitable. Um, that's fine. Let's see if it can get back to profit zone. Yo, 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 Max, how we doing? Welcome again to another day. We are paper trading our bots right now. I mean, some are looking good, some are not. We appreciate you for joining us another day. Oh, I just want to let you know as well, because I think you were here for the session yesterday, but I fixed the pullback strategy that we were working on yesterday. So I'm going to be bringing that to y'all after we're done paper trading today. So I hope that you stick around to be able to see how I fixed that strategy, but it is working. It is fixed. It is a bit profitable right now. And what we're going to be going over is how we fixed the strategy, how we got it to work, and making the bot for it maybe later on. So I hope your day's going well, and I appreciate you for joining us today. Yeah, this position, you about to just stop loss, aren't you? Yep. Stop loss or just limit. Okay, bet. Second trade. No breakout. Okay. All right. So all of our bots are just looking for positions right now, and I kind of like it. You know what? Should I? No, I'm going to keep this focused where. All right, so nobody's trading right now. So this is another thing that I'll do is all right, I just noticed that HFT baby is done for the day. And again, this one is batting 1,000, so I really love that. What I'm going to do is just stop it. And then we're going to go to our Claude Code session here. Wait, let me bring you back. Put you back in your spot. Going to go to Claude Code, then we're going to go to HFT baby because I keep a log for all of these bots. Just haven't been diligent about it. See, here's the trading journal. And every day when we trade the bots, I go look at the logs, then I'll go add an entry in the trading journal. I just want to see when's the last day I entered, the 28th. So we have a couple of entries to put. So the 28th was the last day that we put an entry. This was Black Friday. Black Friday, I figured out any holidays, really. The day after a holiday, you shouldn't be trading unless you know what the hell you're doing. This was a flat day. Our bot didn't trade. We had 4 restarts. The reason being so is because I was having some issue with the previous broker, but we switched that. Session 2, we lost money. Session 3, we was able to make money, right? And that's why I like to be able to take these notes so we can find out what worked, what didn't work, what we need to adjust. Critical bug, the market calendar fix. Okay, we already fixed that. Right. So now we need to update it with our performance for this week. And I just haven't been as diligent as about that. So what I'm going to do is grab all of them for this week. We're going to paste. Then we're going to say review using grep and awk terminal commands. Then once you understand what happened for the week, we need to update the bot's trading journal. All right. So that's going to get done. And there's no positions right now. Everybody's still looking. And that's why I love about this, right? We can oh, never mind. I was talking. We just got a position that's open. This is a this really needs to do a better job of bearish breakdown. So we think the market is going to go down. We bought a put and we bought this. I need to fix this. I keep saying that, but I really need to fix this. A put $61. We have a 26% chance of being profitable. We're currently down 2% on this position right now. Let me just confirm. Yep, we are. So right now we're paper trading, and I'm also going to be adding a log entry for our HFT baby bot. All right, let me fix the syntax. So still currently down, but that's fine. He's fine. Then I'm going to go look at the market. Oh, we have 2 positions. We have 3 positions that are open. All right, we are bullish, bearish on the market. We think the market is going to go down. We bought it for $69. We're currently down 2%. And then we have another position that's open. Bearish on the market again. Everybody thinks the market is going to go down. And this is across assets. So it's not like it's just one asset, right? This is across assets that we're picking up this sentiment. Oh, somebody's up. Somebody's up. All right, come on. All right, we are trying to find green, man. Yellow is good, green is better. And red, of course, we want to stay away from. So we are trying to find green. But again, I'm driving the boat a little bit. So what that means, as soon as I see a profit level that I'm comfortable with, I'm just going to go ahead and TP. Because you don't go broke taking a profit. This position is currently down. This one, same thing. All right, come on, baby. Come on. This one just turned against us, but I have a feeling that it's going to be great. Wait, somebody just closed out. Who just closed the position? All right, you're done for the day. I need to figure out what the heck. Trading loss, block trade 2. Okay. You're just done for the day. I'm not restarting you. So I'm going to do the same thing. Damn, this went from good to that. 2 sides of the coin, bro. Definitely 2 sides of the coin. Let's see if it can recover. While this is trying to recover, let's go take a look at Claude Code real quick. So our HFT baby, right? So for the week of the 5th, the 1st through the 5th, It started at $100, and then, excuse me. All right, my fault. Started at $100. It was able to get to 124. Weekly PNL is 24%. 25 trades. 5 out of 7 sessions were profitable. Average PNL was $1. Best session was on the 4th. It was able to take 3 trades and $28. Worst session was on the 1st. We lost $46 off 10 trades. Recovery, no suitable. Small loss, no trades. All right, beautiful. So this is not bad. Win rate was, all right, we already talked about that. Okay. This one could have been mitigated. This one definitely could have been mitigated. All right, so what I want to do, we have another bot that we need to go do this for. Oh, we have another position that's open. Let me shut up. Hold on. So this is a call. So we're bearish on the market, or bullish on the market. I'm sorry, I keep doing that. Oh, hold on. We're up 9%. Oh, we just took profit at 16%. That's crazy. So we just took profit at 16%. This bot is done trading for the day. We're not going to overtrade it. This is penny for you. All right, you're Gucci for the day. Here's another bot that's done trading for the day. All right, we need to go look at your files. And then Dooney Baby, here's another bot that's done trading for the day. Beautiful. All right, so what I want to do is let's go to Dooney Baby first. So I want to do the same thing. Close you. Dooney Baby is here. From the 1st through the 5th. All right, review using grep and awk terminal commands. Excuse me, grep and awk terminal commands. Then once you understand it, let's update the journal log. Still the 28th. Okay, beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and update our log there. And I want to keep track of it, right? So we can see what's working, what's not working, how we can adjust it. So I'm going to let Claude Code do that. Let's just go take a peek around what our bots are doing. True Lies is still looking for a position. And this bot trades both SPY and QQQ. So this is a bot that trades 2 symbols, not just one. We made this here with y'all live, so I'm super excited to see if this one is able to actually get a position and trade it, and see how it can trade both of these positions simultaneously. This bot trades QQQ, nope, SPY, and currently hasn't found a position for the day. Then we have our Lotto Baby. This was my first bot that I ever created. This bot hasn't found a position for the day or signal, and this bot trades SPY, S&P 500. Bel Air, this bot trades SPY as well. Same thing. And the thing I love about it, right? If it can't find a position, it can't find it. It's not going to force a trade. So Star Baby, this is based off of candlestick patterns. This is bot trade SPY, same thing. Can't find a signal, no problem. And penny for you, this bot is already done trading for the day. This bot trades QQQ. And I'm going to look at the trades to see what happened, what worked, what didn't. All right, so I need to make note of that. This bot it's trendy. We already did this, right? This bot is done trading for the day. So we're gonna go figure out what happened, what worked, what didn't there. And then Momo bot, this is like a bot that I'm, when I say really excited about, but it just haven't traded today. But when it does trade, this bot is one of the only bots that have a 98, if not 100%. 100% is kind of tentative. So that's why I say like 95, 98% win rate. Like when this bot finds a position or signal, like it's one to be able to like really just pay attention to. So this bot is still looking. Sniper just had that one trade. Nothing is panning out right now. That's a Gucci. Second chance. Another one of the bots, like when it finds a signal, it finds it, and it's normally pretty good. All right. Just we had one trade. We lost $8 for Easy Reader. All right, man. So this is what's up. All right, let's go back to our coding session. We're having Claude Code update the journal as far as what we have done and how we can get that to be a bit better. This week showed potential and risk for Dooney Baby strategy. The Dooney Crest hit 22.5%, demonstrating that the strategy works, but the December 4 p.m. session lost $35, highlighting the importance of proper risk management. The over leveraging bug has been fixed, preventing future downturns for this. Validate position sizing, watch for consecutive loss patterns built on TP1 success. All right, beautiful. So you're good. Who are we going to do next? We already did HFT baby, right? Yep. So I can close you out. Let's go do Dunya. I just finished, so I can close you out. Who's next? Penny for you. Let's go do Penny for you. All right, let's go grab Penny for you's file. All right. Penny for you, and we're going to grab from the 1st through the 5th. Review using grep and awk terminal commands. Then update our journal with performance. See, same thing, Black Friday. Rough day, bro. For the week. All right, bet. So we're going to get this updated. And this is part of the admin work, right? Like, I want to be able to get this done now rather than waiting on later. So if we're working on it, let's just go ahead and knock this out, right? Let's go ahead and knock this out. And our bots right now are still looking for positions, right? So nothing out of the ordinary. Everybody's still waiting to see what happened. All right, beautiful. All right. So we're just going to update our bot with the trading sessions for the day. It seems like today is slowing down a bit. Let's go look at, I'm not going to hold you. Hold on. You. Let's go. I'm looking at SPY right now, and it seems that SPY is having, I don't know, just looking at the past 3 bars, right? It looks like SPY is trying to bounce back up and have a little bit of a bullish run day. So let's see how that ends up panning out. Let's go look at QQQ. QQQ is trying to fight its way back up, but I love it. You see the bears just took over, but the bulls are trying to push it right back up. And IWM, same thing. All right, we're going up. We're seeing we have a little bit of an upward trend going on here, so I can appreciate that. That's what's up. So we have our bots. Let's see if there's a position. Oh, we do have a position right now. Easy Reader. Easy Reader is in, but again, I want to dry the boat. So what does that mean? We don't go broke taking a profit. So if as soon as we see profit levels that make sense to us, let's go ahead and TP and get out. 5%, 8%. That's crazy. 10%. Oh, damn it. Fight back. Fight back. All right, this bot, this position, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, fam. I don't know if this was forced though. Hmm. All right. Yeah, super underperformance. This week was the worst week for penny readers since tracking begun. Unlike Black Friday. Hold on. Let's come back here because it looks like you're still figuring out life. Wait, and you okay? You close the position and you close yourself out. That's funny. Um, okay. Let's come back here. So let me just read the synopsis here. This week was the worst performance for Penny for You since tracking began. Unlike Black Friday, the single bad day, this presents a substantial week of losses across multiple sessions. December 3rd was the single trade disaster, negative 59%. In particular, concerning suggests a critical risk management failure. Next week, fix the stop loss execution. Already fixed that. Reduce the position sizing to prevent. Nope. Investigate why signals are. Yep. Consider pausing. Nope. I need if I want to fix you, but should I do this now while we're looking at our bots? But then this doesn't make sense because look, fam. Let me go open up Penny for Use, and don't worry, I'm still looking at our bots that are running live right now. But this is part of the work, right? To be able to upkeep your bot. Where is the option, baby? Because what I want to do is just look at Penny for Use stats real quick. Penny for You. Let me go look at the back test. Our back test is right here. Huh. All right, let's look at something. Let me run Cloud Code real quick in this session. And what I'm going to get, we're going to get the 4.5 Opus model, Opius. Don't worry, if I see a position open, I will bring it to y'all. Right now, this is part of the process. It said Penny for You is having some issues. So what I want to do is just, all right, let's go really take a look at this. And then here is, where's the backtest journal? All right, here's the backtest journal. All right. Review the following files using grep and awk terminal commands. Then advise of the performance and what the and how the strat works and all of the parms as well. All right, so I'm gonna let that one go. I do have another bot that I need to go update the logs for, and that is Range Baby. So let's go ahead and update the logs for Range Baby here. Let's just go ahead and boom. That stops it faster. All right. Let's go find Range Baby. There you go. Let's get it from the 1st through the 5th. Beautiful. And then update the log. Let's do the same here. Use grep and awk. All right. Let's come back here. This is a 0 DTE. 0 DTE are option contracts that expire the same day. SPY option scalping strategy that trades intraday flag and pennant breakouts. I want to explain the flag and pennant breakout so we can understand what that means. The signal detection is a three bar price breakout when it's greater than or equal to 0.033, plus the volume is greater than or equal to the 38th percentile, plus the candle strength is at 70%. Option selection and then position management, entry. All right. Can you explain like I'm 12 in a non-condescending way, like a professor talking to their student? How Works. Hold on, y'all. All right. Let's look. There's no signals that's open. All right, perfect. All right, so let's talk about the flag independent pattern. These are what we call continuation patterns in technical analysis. Basically, imagine you're watching a stock price now. It makes them sharp. Move is called a flagpole. After a energy, the price needs to rest so it doesn't just keep moving straight up forever. Instead, it pauses and drifts sideways slightly against the original move. All right, something is causing us to spaz right now. Let's wait. Ah, come on. Okay, let me just force quit you. Hold on, y'all. We're gonna get right. Who else? Let me force quit you. Damn, don't make me restart all of this. I think I may need to restart cursor. All right, I'm gonna restart cursor after it's done doing what I needed to do here. This is wild. My fault. Just give me 1 second. Sometimes things like this happen. The system is just going a bit haywire. All right, come on, update the file. And normally I'm running like 10 or like 3 to 5 sessions at one time. So I don't know why it's tripping right now. All right, let me just make the executive decision. Let's go ahead and, yeah, let me just stop you. So I stopped it. That's the only one that was tripping. Then open you back up. All right, you should be Gucci. New terminal. Close you out. Oh crap. See, Claude. Resume. All right, proceed. All right, so that one's going. Now, where were we? We were here. And penny for you. The run Claude code. I can stop this version because we're getting Opus model. Resume. All right, beautiful. So I'm just going to read this real quick. I'm going to start back again at the basic idea. So imagine you're watching a stock price move and it makes a strong, sharp move in one direction. And let's say it shoots up quickly. That strong move is called a flagpole. And after a burst of energy, the price needs to rest. It doesn't just keep going straight up forever. Instead, it pauses and drifts sideways or slightly against the original move. The resting period forms a flag or pennant shape. So this is the flagpole and this is the flag or pennant shape, the consolidation or rest period. Why does this happen? So think of a runner. They sprint hard, the flagpole, then they catch their breath, the flag, then they sprint again, the breakout. The market works similarly. Buyers who push the price up are taking the profits, new buyers are waiting to enter, and then the price consolidation is the tight range. The breakout is when the price finally decides to leave the resting pattern and continues in the original direction. When the price breaks above the flag resistance with strong volume, that's the signal that the rest is over and the move is resuming. What this strategy does, the penny for your thoughts code doesn't actually draw flag shapes. That's complex. Instead, it uses proxies. It looks for the price to break above the recent 3-bar high or below the 3-bar low for bearish moves, combined with strong volume and candles that the closer near the high low. These conditions approximate the breakout from consolidation, the concept without the pattern matching the actual flag shapes. All right. Does that make sense? Oh, holy cow. We have a couple of positions that are open. So let me shut up. Let me go back over here real quick. Net, and then put you there. All right, we have another bearish breakout that is about to open as soon as it finds a contract. No valid contracts. That's crazy. Let's see where you're at. Currently down. That's fine. Let's see. All right, this one is currently down. So let me go back to Claude Code. All right, we're going to be running our back test. We're running it with the updated params that we've done. So Python, run it. All right, so let's run our back test. We're running it on 2023 with the updated parameters that we've done. And let's see how well it performed. So what I want to do is say review for what we have updated, and then provide us with what the current best baseline performance is now. All right, so we're running our back test on 2023 to see how well the strategy is going to do with these updates that we've made. All right, so let's see how well this works. And what we've done, we made the stop loss a lot tighter, max hold time tighter. We've also increased and decreased the delta min and max. So I mean, I don't know. The strategy is this. Is you still in? Okay, it's in February right now, and it's at $500. Wait, this shouldn't be. We've also So it is kind of $700, 800. So it is kind of performing well. It's just a matter of, all right. So let's let this back test go. It's at 990. I just want to go check to make sure. All right. Do not trade until the market. Okay. I need to go find out what the hell is going on there. But don't worry. We're going to get back there. We are in April and our penny for you strategy is at 1200. So it is performing well, right? With these new updates that we've done. So let's see if it holds or if we can, let's see. All right, current code, the current test configurations. The best performance was 2023 was able to get a 10,000. So from $100 to 10,000, but that max drawdown is what I'm looking to increase and increase this as well. So if we can beat these parameters with what we just done, then we found a winner, ladies and gentlemen. So let's see. We're in June right now. We're at 2,400. I think just based off what I've seen, but I think that oh shit, hold on, we got another position that's about to open. Um, Hold on, we got another position that's about to open. Penny for you. Why is it not finding any? It's not finding any valid contracts. No valid. Okay, this is um, um. Okay, 3,800. We see that it's running here. But what I need to do, let me come here and I need to figure out what's going on with Second Chance. Um, Review using grep and awk, then review. For more on alpaca, then let's find out what the issue is with the bot and why it can't find the position. Also see alpaca trades. No. Who are you? You're QQQ. All right. And run it. Then let's fix the issues. All right. So, 12,000. Look at that. So we beat it. All right. So we beat our numbers. Now let's see if the metrics check out. So let's see. This is what we're looking to beat. So we beat the returns. We're waiting to see if our win rate is higher, our drawdown is lower, and our profit factor is better. Right? So let's see. All right. So we ended at 12,000. Our win rate is 67%. So win rate is slightly lower. Where's our drawdown? Drawdown is a lot less. Drawdown before, remember, it was 60 some percent, 64%. And what our drawdown is right now is 33. So what a drawdown is saying, the strategy starts at 100, but at some point in time, the strategy went to like $67. I think that's what it is. But then it was able to rally to 12,000. Let's again, win rate dropped down a little bit. Profit factor did increase. Average hold time. Okay, that's better. So let's see. Here is 23. Here is 2023. And now I want to update it so we can run it on 24, 2023, 24. All right. So what we're looking for here is higher win rate, better drawdown, better profit factor. I see the issue is that the get entry date method returns the IV, but the second chance bot is trying to access implied volatility. Let me check the orchestrator actually. All right, beautiful. Get me right, man. Get me right. Photosynthesizing. Okay. Um, Beautiful. Okay. Is somebody else in a position? Nope. And this is kind of like the latter half of the market, where like most of our bots are probably not going to be trading. Um, let's double check and make sure. Good. I'm just gonna have it update second chance right now. I'm not gonna hold you. The first through the fifth, then proceed to review using grep and awk. Then let's update. All right, so you're gonna go. Let's go back to our back test. All right, back test is running. It's at 940, 964 right now, and it is March. It just crossed $1,000. So our back test is running. We're running it on 2024 to see how well it is performed. 1200 in April. I mean, that's not bad. Kind of decent. Kind of decent. And what I'm doing is based off the performance of our bots today, updating a few things with regards to the back test. So I'm testing out a few ideas before I actually update the bot. And what I'm testing out is making the hold time shorter, making the stop loss a little tighter, and then adjusting the parameters for option selection. So I'm working to see how well that's working out for us. If you do have any questions while I'm working on this, please let me know. But right now, I think these parms may be better. I think. I don't know. Let's see. It's at 2,000 right now. And there isn't a bot that's open a position. Everybody's still scanning. Everybody is still scanning. So there isn't a position that's open. All right. Let's see what we're looking to be for the returns. 20,000. I don't know if it's going to. I don't know, man. I've seen crazier things happen. So let's see. I'm going to go grab some agua. I'll be right back. So it looks like we didn't hit the return. All right. And here is 2024. Let's discuss. When I say, bro, root cause the bot tried to access the Greek through the implied volatility, but the unified data orchestrator returns Greek IV. It broke the bot, 69 errors. Okay. Bug fix, risk reward broken, win tiny, loses large. Stop loss slippage is hitting 34%, but says 25 until the risk reward. It did, bro. Trust me. Um, double check and make sure the fixes regarding the IV is working. All right. Worse, better. So the tighter settings achieved dramatically better 2023 for the drawdown, much lower stop loss, higher profit factor. What we lost was 2024 return significantly dropped 32%, lower win rate for both years. The 3-minute hold time plus 15-minute is cutting winners early. You're getting better risk management, but we're leaving money on the table. The time exits are eating to your profits. What's your goals, to maximize returns or to minimize drawdown? Bitch, both. Um, hmm. Let me go. Let me do 3.5, and I'm keeping this. I'm keeping you at where you're at right now. This is just weird. This little TP level is weird, bro. Okay. Let's update the take profit TP to TP1. I don't know how the hell I landed there. I'm not gonna hold you. 25.8%. Yeah, let's do 27.8%. TP2, 20.3. No, let's do 19.3%. And then TP3, let's do 14.878%. Yeah, yep. And keep everything else the same. Shit. Make sure properly updated. So we're just going to pivot right now from paper trading to being able to do some admin work for our bots, our current bots that are running. And this is a little bit of work that I have to do. So I just need y'all to follow me. If you do have any questions, just let me know. And again, this is admin work that I'm doing for my bots after paper trading. So this is what I'll do. I'll paper trade, I'll update the journal, and then based on what we've seen from paper trading, not all the time, but normally based on what we've seen from paper trading, I'll go to back test a few ideas. If those ideas pan out, then I'll update the actual live bot with what I back tested. Okay, the fix correctly implemented at both locations where the bot accessed the implied volatility. Okay, use it safe. Okay. So now you're going to go do it's trendy. So from the 1st through the 5th. And normally I don't do it. I try to do it every day, but this week, which is kind of crazy. Review. Shit. Using grep and awk terminal commands. Then let's update the journal. All right, perfect. So we're getting that in. All right, so let's see how this back test performs. And what we did is I updated the take profit levels. I made the the max hold time like 30 seconds longer. But I kept the stop loss and where it's at. So let's see if we're able to eclipse the 2024 baseline levels that we had previously, and being able to make higher highs. So let's see. And this is part of the process, right? You don't just create a bot and then throw it out there and never work on it. Like, this is the admin part of being able to make sure that our bots are Gucci, right? So let's see what happens. I have my thoughts on what may not happen, but let's see. Sometimes it's something as like easy as like, all right, I just want to test a new max hold time, or sometimes it's something as complicated as like we're gonna just rewrite this whole strategy. And there's a couple strategies I do need to rewrite or redo, just based off performance and based off like what we've seen in the market. But I'll do that on my time. I'm only going to do 2 of these with y'all. Then after that, we're going to be done trading. Then I would say probably in another hour or so, we're going to finish up our work from yesterday for our other pullback strategy bot that I've done with y'all. So I would say like in another 45, 20 minutes, we should be done with this work. Then I'm going to I'll take a beat, take a little intermission, and then come back and then finish up part two of our bot for the strategy was working yesterday. So it just crossed 2,000. So let's see how it works out. I'm not that optimistic, but let's see. I'm not gonna hold you. I mean, some of the great times we're seeing the time stocks be profitable, but it's like we're not seeing those explosive returns. I don't know. All right, I think I need to go into like the parms itself for this particular strat gang. I think we need to go look at the parameters itself. Um, if we're able to make 12,000 in 1 month, that'll be shocking. Hmm. All right, we went the opposite way. All right. Shit, we went the opposite way. Damn. Not good, fam. Not good. All right. So I'm gonna do this review and let's discuss what are the optimal levels for TP before we update it. Let the data talk to us for this and advise objectively without bias. Objectively, as best as possible, fam. All right, let me go see what you're doing. And what we're doing here is I'm having this version of Claude Code go through our logs and then update it. All right, looking, the data says new TPs made things worse. Previous, new. The numbers tell us that the slight reduction in TP backfired. The low TP didn't capture more winners. They created more stop losses. The win rate dropped. The paradox is you don't you'd expect lower TPs to be easier to hit, more wins, but that didn't work. This suggests that the TP levels aren't the problem. The issue is likely the 3.5 minute hold or the stop loss cutting trades before they hit. Recommendation: the with the 5 minute hold produce $20,000, and your current configs are okay. Revert back to the original TP levels, but then we need you to explain how these signals are triggered, both calls and puts, periods, etc. So we can look here. All right, beautiful. So we're gonna get that explanation. All right, I'm only gonna do one bot with you because I figured if I keep doing this, I'll be here for like 3 hours. So I'm only gonna do one bot, and the other ones I'll do by myself. All right, so every 1 minute from 9:32 to 10:44, it gets the last 3 bars. So the breakout is 3 bars or 3 minutes. It calculates the recent high, 3 bars, max low, 3 bars, and then for the volume, why do we use 3 and 5? So that's the question. The current bar must be the 38th percentile of the last 5 bars. If no, there's no signal. For a call, the current bar is greater than the 3 bar high. The breakout equals the close over the recent high minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0.133. The candle strength closed in the top 30%. The formula, and for the puts, a visual signal. The recent high is 590.80. The current bar closes as 591.05. Must be greater than a breakout detected. Signal strength. And then the put is the opposite. All right. Why did we use 3 and 5 for the periods? Is there reasoning here? And we're still paper trading our bots. I mean, there are still bots that are going. I'm not going to hold you, but they're not finding anything. So that's why I'm using y'all's time earnestly. All right. The reasoning behind the 3 and 5 bar. Why 3 on the 1 minute chart? 3 bars, 3 minutes. The minimum time for the recognize the pattern signal, the flag pattern pennant, short time. We tested 4. Okay, too fast, sweet spot, even slow, worse. The 4 disaster provided that the 1 extra bar delay. Okay. What am I thinking? What am I thinking? Let me let's try a update the volume to 8 and then the price to 5 and leave everything else shit. Update the volume bar to 8 and then price to 5 and keep everything else the same. Yeah. And then we're going to run our back test. And let's see how well it goes. I don't know. I haven't been watching. I mean, what do y'all think? Has it gotten better? Maybe. Maybe. Let's see. I can't wait to see the overall results. To see, has this gotten better? Did our fixes improve it? Right? Let's see. I don't know. All right. Let's look. Let's look. Slightly. Slightly. Like not even all that. Well, like I'm super impressed. I think I have another idea. Review and let's oh, you're already reviewing. Let's discuss. All right. New. Nope, nope. Okay. All right, let's think about this. Let's think about this. Um I just test 5 and 8. All right. Let me do breakout. Let's go back to 3 bar for breakout and then 4 for volume and then drop the and then explain the candle strength and the percentage configs. Like if we were to increase or decrease those numbers, does it make the config looser or tighter? All right, let's do that. Let's see what you screaming. Candle strength and volume, tighter versus looser. Looser. What this measures is how close the candle closes to its high for a call or low for its put. The higher value is tighter and stricter. The close must be in the top about 20% of the candle. Fewer signals, stronger conviction, but might miss good setups with moderate commitment. Lower can be okay. The current strategy tested 58 disaster. Okay. What this measures is the current ball volume must be in the X percentile. Higher value is stricter, lower value is looser. Volume must be higher than 38% of the last n bars. And then the volume top is 68. The strategy tested 58, 48, 38, and landed on 28 as optimal. Okay. What I'm going to do is we tested 58 and that was a disaster, right? And we're at 70. Let me test 40. So I'm gonna do candle strength. Candle strength. Let's move to 0.40 and then volume percentile. Let's move to 0.28. Um, we're at 3, 0.28. And then increase the breakout min percentage to 0.00038 and keep everything else the same. All right, let's see how that's going to work out. I'm optimistic. right, updated it. Penny for your thoughts. This combo, but stricter breakout margin. Okay, yep, I know what I'm doing. We made one thing a little bit more loose and easier to get in, and then we are going to make this the breakout a little bit more stringent to get in. So now we're testing it on 2024 and seeing how well this is going to do for our strategy here. And the reason we're doing this is because from our paper testing, I noticed one thing that could be a little bit better for Penny for You. A Penny for You trade SPY. So now we're testing it to see how well does these ideas actually work in practice before we actually update the bot. All right, so let's see how this works. We made one requirement a lot loose and we made the other one a lot more strict. And my thinking is we're getting better quality, right? So let's see if that translates. Well, we just crossed it. I just put my eye down and we just crossed 1,000 a lot sooner. I just blinked. Whoa, it was at 1,000. We're at 1,200. Okay. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. It looked like it's just been stuck at the $1,000 realm like for a minute. Should I have made it? All right, this may not be the vibes. This may not be the vibes, y'all. Yeah, I don't think this is vibes. All right. I hear you, but I'm not even going to finish it. So let's go back to candle strength. Oh, wait, let's go to 0.80 for candle strength. And then drop the breakout min percentage to 0.022% and keep everything else the same. So let's see. I'm making one a little bit more stricter now, another a little bit more looser. So let's see how this little combo works. All right, the combo strict candle, loose breakout. Okay. My thinking, if we get strong, let me see. Let me see. Let's see. All right, while that's loading, let me see. Okay. That's loading. Now we're running Penny for You with our updated parms. Let's see how that works out. And this is all it is. I'm not gonna hold you. Sometimes it feels like a game, right? Like you're tweaking this thing, you're tweaking that to be able to see, like a doctor sometimes, how optimal we can get it. I don't know. I don't know. This one is kind of shaky. Looking shaky. Looking shaky. Looking real shaky. If y'all watch Wildin' Out. I don't know because the other strategy by the time it was in the parameters, excuse me, by the time it was in May, it was already over 1,000. But it was having a problem to like stick to it or get above it. It's looking a little shaky, y'all. It's looking a little shaky. Yeah, this is probably not it. And that's okay. That's okay, man. We just crossed $1,000 and damn, that's crazy. It's really looking a little shaky. Yeah, I don't even think I'm just gonna get the data, but I don't even I might even want to accept this. Um so what we're going to do, let me drop this back down to 70. Let me drop it back down to 70 and bring you back up to 5. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. This is horrible, bro. Oh, it's almost done. Let's go ahead and finish this one out. Don't worry, I'm only gonna do one with y'all. It's not gonna be that much. Let's check here. It's trendy. 10 trades, 50% win rate, 50% stop loss. Critical issues at the stop loss rate versus the back test. 11 provider errors on December the 4th. Alpaca buying power error, risk reward. Okay. Then we're getting this like late year. Bruv. A lot lower, bruv. Review and let's discuss. Shit, bruv. Um, two live. You're having problems. Grep and awk. Let's find the issues and fix it properly. What went wrong? The 022 break is to lose catching marginal noise that didn't follow through. The stop loss rate doubled. The candle size didn't save it. The strict candles. Okay. Goldilocks zone. All right. Let's go to 0.033% and um 0.70 0.70 for candle strength, and then look back for volume Let's go to 5. All right. Um, let's see. Hmm. Let me do 50, 58. Let's do 58 and let's see how this works. All right, we're running our back test again with these new parms that we're testing to see how well it's going to work. Again, this would probably be the last one that I do with y'all, and then we're going to call it a break because we just finished up our paper trading session. There are some bots that are still going, but the majority of them are wrapping up for the day. And what I'm doing right now is normally what I do after paper trading, right? I review the bots, then I go back test a few ideas that I have in order to see if it holds. If it does hold, then I implement it. If it doesn't, I'll take note of it and then I'll scrap it, right? Damn, I don't like you doing that. The bot selected Delta barely above the threshold. The strike 691 SPY was the out of money contract wasn't listed, causing the asset not found error. Um, I didn't test that yet. That's kind of on shaky ground because I didn't test that yet. We're in March and we're at $200. All right, let's see how well this works. So I'm gonna let this run. This is going to have center stage, and let's see how well this performs. At least it did cross 1,000 sooner. So let's see if it keeps compounding. Looked like we was able to, no, 2,400. That's 11,000. Damn. All right, so this is what I'm going to do, man. I'm going to take this and I'm going to do this myself. I'm not going to keep y'all and keep going back and forth and back and forth and see how it does. We're crossing the 2 hours, and all of our bots are practically done trading for the day. So that was what the mission was a paper trade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this part up where I'm going to complete this myself, and then I'll be back in a bit to be able to finish up our other strategy that we started. So it is your boy Creative. We'll be back at it again a bit later. I appreciate y'all for